Today, we're diving into the world of open water with the SHOKZ OpenSwim headphones. Waterwave man-swimming, whether you're swimming laps in the pool or exploring the ocean, these bone conduction headphones keep you connected without missing a beat. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of in-ear headphones, especially during intense workouts or water activities, then the SHOKZ OpenSwim is a game changer. Its innovative bone conduction technology delivers sound directly through your cheekbones, eliminating the need for earbuds and preventing any irritation. This comfortable, bud-free design ensures all-day listening pleasure, whether you're swimming laps or running trails. Waterproof and submersible for ultimate freedom. The SHOKZ OpenSwim isn't just comfortable, it's also incredibly durable. With IP68 waterproofing, these headphones can withstand submersion in up to 2 meters of water. Whether you're training in the pool or enjoying a day at the beach, you can listen to your favorite tunes without worry. Crystal clear underwater sound. Thanks to advanced bone conduction technology, the OpenSwim delivers exceptional sound quality even underwater. The 7th generation technology ensures clear and consistent audio throughout all strokes and turns, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your music. Versatile and secure fit. The OpenSwim's wraparound design provides a secure and comfortable fit, even when wearing swim caps, goggles, or earplugs. This ensures that your headphones stay in place during the most intense workouts. Offline listening for uninterrupted enjoyment. Unlike many Bluetooth headphones, the OpenSwim features built-in storage for up to 1,200 songs. This means you can enjoy your favorite music without the need for a phone or other external device. With a battery life of up to 8 hours, you can listen for extended periods without interruption. In conclusion, the SHOKZ OpenSwim is a must-have for anyone who loves water activities and wants to enjoy their music without compromise. Its comfortable design, waterproof capabilities, and excellent sound quality make it a standout product. If you're tired of earbuds and want a truly immersive listening experience, the OpenSwim is the perfect choice.